Hey guys, the Nothing Phone 3, once one of the most anticipated phones of the year, left many fans scratching their heads. A phone from a brand known for bold design choices. Yet this time, no rear glyph lights, and an odd camera placement. That's not what fans expected. For a company that built its identity on standing out, this felt like a step backward. But now, all eyes are on Nothing OS 4, expected to drop by the end of 2025 or early 2026. And believe me, this update could be a major turning point, not just for the Phone 3, but for the brand as a whole. Let's be honest, the hardware didn't exactly scream flagship. The Phone 3 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, a decent chip, but clearly a step behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and nowhere close to the newer 8 Gen Elite Edition. The result? Performance that's good, but not mind-blowing, especially at a price tag hovering around $799. Critics didn't hold back. Many argued that you're paying flagship money, but getting mid-tier compromises, especially in the hardware department. And that's where Nothing OS 4 becomes more than just an update. It could be the brand's redemption arc. According to leaks and hints dropped by Carl Pei, Nothing OS 4 is bringing powerful AI integration right to your device. We're talking about smarter camera features, real-time voice typing, advanced battery optimization, and maybe even an on-device personal assistant. If done right, these upgrades could unlock the full potential of the 8 Gen 4 chip and elevate the user experience dramatically. And let's not forget the design controversy. While the hardware can't be changed post-launch, Nothing OS 4 might introduce clever software tricks to make up for it. One exciting rumor: a virtual glyph interface, either simulated on the glyph matrix or through animated LED effects on the always-on display. This could bring back that iconic identity without needing physical lights. In the end, Nothing OS 4 isn't just another Android skin update. It could be the lifeline the Phone 3 desperately needs. With the right mix of smart features, AI magic, and design callbacks, Nothing has a chance to win back its fans and make the Phone 3 feel like a true flagship. So what do you think? Can Nothing OS 4 save the Phone 3's reputation? Or is it too little, too late? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. And as always, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.